Hi, folks. Here we are in San Marcos, Texas, taking a look at our property at 119 Ridgeway. You get a nice little view of the front yard with our real-time realty group signage. Check out the two-car garage, two separate doors, look very nice. And we'll come up to the entrance, the gorgeous door and large window pane. There are new windows throughout the house as well. And we'll come right into the entryway. Coat closet here to your left. And over to the right is a living area. It could be an office. Pretty flexible here. You'll see this floor plan is really flexible as to what you'd like to do with what part of the house. And we'll take a look at the room from a different angle. Looking out that nice large window to the front yard. Let in some great natural light while you're working or sitting in a chair reading a book. And we'll head down the hallway. First door to our right is our bathroom. Single vanity, single sink vanity, shower tub combo there. Gorgeous tiling, brand new fixtures throughout the house as well, you'll notice. And into the first bedroom here on the left. Carpet on the floor in these. Nice big window out to the front. We'll check out the closet here. Single bar. And we'll head over to the second bedroom right next door. Again, another large window out to the front. You also get a window out to the side yard in this one. And this closet's configured a little differently. You've got a bar on each side. 1, 2, and a light. Plenty of room there for storage. And just across the hall is the master. You got two windows here, one to the side yard, one facing towards the back of the house. And we'll take a look at the master from this corner. Looking at the door coming out. Again, carpet in the bedrooms. And we'll check out the single sink vanity here. And shower stall. Nice handheld shower there for you. And let's check out the closet. Nice little walk-in, bars on each side. And plenty of storage on those shelves. You can add one more shelf if you want to. Okay, those are the main bedrooms. But like I said, you'll see this floor plan is really configurable. There's the AC closet on the left, which has been replaced in the last 2 years, which is nice. We'll come out into the formal dining area. Got a chandelier there in the middle, mirror wall to the right. This luxury vinyl flooring is throughout the rest of the house. It's also waterproof. And we'll take a look at the galley-style kitchen here with quartz countertops. Some very nice open-air storage. And check out this little breakfast nook. You can have a nice coffee in the morning, your breakfast, and look out into the backyard over this part of the deck. What a gorgeous view to wake up to. Double ovens here, induction range, and space for your refrigerator, of course. Another look at that luxury vinyl on the floor. Again, waterproof, which is great in the kitchen. And we'll head over here to the utility room. Plenty of gorgeous cabinetry in here as well, just like the kitchen. Your connections and hookups there. You've got a little space to hang coats if you need to. Also rack there. You can also hang stuff up to dry on that rack over there. And here's the door out to the garage. Nice full window pane so you can see what's going on. And a ramp here if you need it. And again, 2-car garage, both doors on power openers from Ryobi. And you've already got a little storage shelf here along the length of the wall. Attic access over there as well. All right, we'll come back through the kitchen and hang a right into this kind of area. Could be a living space, a TV room, could be actually a bedroom if you wanted it to. You could put an armoire in here as well. It's kind of big enough to be whatever you need it to be, honestly. Very configurable here. And we'll take a look at it from the other side so you can see these French doors leading into the room. And let's head outside from here to check out the deck. There's your window from your breakfast nook overlooking the deck and this part of the backyard. Nice little trellis work there on the side. And we'll come around and the deck opens up to this amazing space over here. This thing is huge. You can get all your friends out here and then some. Just look at that space. Gorgeous deck. It's already got some benches here. Those are freestanding. There's the corners are built in. And we'll take a look over here at the backyard. It's a little two-tiered backyard. You've got the upper tier, the lower tier. Got a couple storage sheds there in the back. You can see how it comes over here to the upper tier again. Most of this over on this side is the upper tier. And you go down into the lower bowl over there. Some great shade out here in the evening. This is the party deck. Now let's head back inside via this sunroom. Little sliding door that does lock for security. So if the weather may not be cooperating like it was that day, you can come in here and still enjoy the outdoors and head into this fourth bedroom or fifth, depending on how you configure things. It does have a closet, so it's considered a bedroom. Again, that luxury vinyl plank wood flooring and the closet has double mirror panes on the doors. And they open up side to side, plenty of storage space and some storage racks already in there. And also a built-in cabinet here as well. And we'll turn around and this actually goes back into that larger living area and back through the double French doors into the dining area and again into the kitchen. Well, folks, that was 119 Ridgeway in San Marcos, Texas. If you'd like to come see it, let us know.